Hello everyone. I got my trade point in the mail from Danny Collins. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video from knappingtraditions.com. If you need any tools, any material, he's the guy to go to. So let's open it up. See what we have. Put that there. Nice bubble wrap. Don't drop it. Oh boy. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. Look how thin that is. That is sweet. Look at the base. That is cool. Old Danny. Look at that. That is awesome. That's pretty damn long. I'd say that's about 4 inches long, at least. Man, that is awesome. Huh. There's another one in there. He's one-upping me. I can't have that. Oh, wow. Oh, I know what material. That's an evacuate. I can tell you that right now. I'm not sure about this material. Might be I'm not sure. But I know this is an evacuate. Wow. That is sweet. Put them right next to each other. That's awesome. I really like working with that in evacuate. That is cool how he got the banding and the colors in there. Yeah, that is awesome. Look at that symmetry. It's nice. Man, both of these are beautiful points. Love it. Yeah, these are awesome. Wow. I really appreciate you, Danny, greatly, helping me out with the tools in the beginning and just being an overall good guy and a good rock seller. That's for sure. Everybody appreciates you. I know it. Well, I think this was an awesome idea doing the point trade. I don't know what your wallet felt, Danny, after that, but I appreciate it, and I know everybody else did too. So, the washing machine draining. Great. That's not my stomach. That's the washing machine. But I really appreciate this greatly, and they're going to look beautiful in my case. I can tell you that. That's awesome. I appreciate you. You guys have a good one. Can't wait to see y'all's videos too on what you got.